Hi, welcome back. SAP tables, company code, plan, storage location, purchase organization, and valid purchase organization for plan tables at the same place. That means we are going to discuss now in this video in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, all these tables available in S4 HANA also. There is no difference. So people are creating a lot of buzz for S4 HANA. That is for true, but most of the tables, basic tables, it is not changed. That's why there is no much difference when you compare it with ECC versus S4 HANA. Okay, let's give a try. So T001, this is company code table. Okay, let me try to show you. Okay, so T001, this is for planned branches table. We'll see this later. So for example, so this is the company code I have created. You will get all company code details in this table. Okay, just try to observe these fields. You need not remember each and every field. If you start like that, it will take versions of the time. You can develop another software against SAP. Okay, so IN61. This is the your company code and what do you call plant linked table, so that you can able to get plant details against this table. Okay, so I think T-star tables for logic, most of the times without these tables no custom logic will be developed, but certain places it don't require. It's not really sure, but 99% of the projects, any one of this table, they will use it for logic. For example, storage location, if you wanted to see this T001L, okay, you run here, you'll get plant and storage location description details. So let's try to put our own plant, IN61. Okay, so basically I have created under this plant, these are the 3 storage locations. You can give this logics always wherever it is needed. Okay, so real time is not something come from beyond SAP. Okay, this is at your thought process. You should know which table you have to pick, which user exit you have to find it out, or else technical consultants will help you. So it is always close competition between your ABAP and your functional domain. Okay, either SD or MMFI. So you can see this T024E and W. Okay, let's have a look around that, so that you can find T024 for your purchase organization alone. Okay, sorry, purchase groups alone. You can able to see your purchase group. Okay, alone, purchase group under the description, and L. So with one letter differs. Okay, you can able to find the lab and offices. So you can able to see this. So T024E, you can able to find purchase organization. Okay, so you need not remember anything, but these tables are at one place. Then you have a look around that whenever you want it. That's why I'm doing this video. You have a purchase organization description and company code. Okay, again your purchase organization company code link table. This is E. If it is W, then your plant and company code, like that, it will be there. Let's try to check for W. So your plant and purchase organization link table. Okay, so most of the times these tables SD and MM consultants will use. Certain places it is required for SD and S4 HANA Simple logistics. Okay, that's why I have captured all these tables. So let's have a look around that. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. If you want, you can get into that, and I would like to show you something here. So let me come back. So this is basically my channel. Okay, if you want, you can subscribe. Probably in future I'm planning to change this logo also. Give your comments. Current one is good or bad. I'll try to change logo or photo. So all these are the so currently 541 videos. So with this video 542. So if you look at here, I'm having 4,000 plus students. If you are really looking for that seriousness, wanted to get into the real time, you try this course, getting master to write functional specification with RISEF. This is very, very important. And apart from that, I have another course. If you already trained yourself, idocs, which is has a mark in your entry board, and you're learning 5 scenarios I have explained. And if you'd like to learn transportation basics, you can try this course. And 100 plus hours, my top course, SD. Last 3 years, it is continuously get updated. I'm just trying to add this video also over there. So if you would like to enter into S4 HANA, you can try these courses. If you wanted to know S4 HANA pricing, this is one of my best course. It is highest rated currently in Udemy now, 4.8. Let's see in future. Okay, but as of now, it is highest rated out of my courses. You can try this. And if you have doubts, STOs, you can try other courses. Okay. So that's all for today. The products available, it's up to you how you can able to utilize your real-time journey with me. Okay. So I think you can get the gist out of this discussion. Okay, you can learn some tables relevant for company code, plant, purchase organization, and the link between plant and purchase organization and plant and company code. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. All the best for your future endeavors.